My name is Sarah Maria Griffin and I worked on the Lighthouse Project in Galway. The zine discusses ideas of signal, because the zine in itself is a signal that I have sent out from all the way on the other coast. It talks a little bit about the different kinds of signals that living creatures send across different species. Dolphins and bats and even hedgehogs all send a sonar, and I ask them to consider what kind of signal they send out themselves. Ultimately, the walk guides them toward a lighthouse, which is a monument to signal. The collaborative process was deeply enriching, and the conversations that I had with Máiréad were very perspective altering. I make zines because the publishing cycle, in the traditional sense of the industry that I work in, is long. It can take anywhere between 2 years for a book to be released into the market from the point at which it's acquired, and that can feel like a long period where you're not communicating anything directly with readers. The zines are a very low pressure, low impact way of carrying through a thought in the form of paper, rather than feeding all of the thoughts that we have into the endless scroll of the internet. A zine is a tactile object. I'm interested in talismans, and I'm interested in the sharing of ephemeral thought outside of the vacuum of the internet. Galway is somewhere that means a great deal to me. I lived there for a year in my early 20s, and it stands as this very important monument from a really important time in my life. So it was a real privilege to get to make something about that very specific walk along the Curragh, because I walked that route every day to and from college and to and from the pub and to and from whatever was going on in my life. That river holds a very powerful, sort of visceral place in my memory. I feel like I was accessing a lot of the love that I feel for Galway as somewhere that is continually calling me back. I had never made anything site-specific before, so it was a very different experience to be imagining a route that exists and real people walking through it and writing in relationship to that journey. I found it really magical, and I can't wait to go over and walk that route myself.